Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today Google has sent me something very special that I have right here inside of this box. Yes, I'm sure you already know what it is by now by the title of the video and by a lot of other videos that have been released today by other content creators. But yes, they have sent me out a Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL. Honestly, I'm not really sure which one is inside of this box yet or what color is inside of the box. So I am super excited to get this open, see what's inside. Huge shout out to Google and huge thanks to Team Pixel for sending this out for us to check out on the channel. Like I said, this is going to be my unboxing and first impressions of this device. I am tired of waiting. I am super excited. So let's not wait any longer. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, so this is the Google Pixel 4 XL, the moment we have all been waiting for. Yes, they sent me the bigger model, which I am very happy about because I do like bigger phones. And they also sent me the oh so white color, looking oh so beautiful. Looks so much better in person than what we have seen in the leaks these past weeks or past months, whatever you want to say. This has been the most leaked phone of all time, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but there have been so many leaks for this device. We finally got it in hand right here. This is everything that comes in the box. It was a beautiful unboxing experience. We have the user manuals right here with the SIM rejector tool. We have the charging cable USB Type-C along with the charging adapter. I believe it is an 18-watt fast charger and then an adapter right there as well. And then they also sent out this nice looking case. Look at that. It's a great looking case with the orange accent button and a Google logo in the back as well. And then a nice orange color inside. And this is like a sway material, feeling really nice. But we'll go ahead and take a look at this a little bit later on the device. But let's go ahead and take a look at the star of the show right here, the Google Pixel 4 XL. I'm really liking this matte finish that they have in the back. It is glass, but like I said, it has more of a matte finish, so it's not really going to attract any fingerprints. At least there's no fingerprints that I can see as of right now. Now, it does have the square camera cutout in the back, and a lot of people are going to say, oh, it looks a lot like the new iPhone, but you know what? I honestly like this look a lot better because it sits a little bit more flush with the back. It does come up just a little bit, but it is a lot flatter than what we see on the new iPhone. Now, this does have that panda look to it. It's got the white back, the black aluminum edges all around. Look at that, looking really nice matte black all around the edges. And then you have that orange accent button that just looks really nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and power this on so we can get inside. Let's see if it has any juice. I'm hoping it does, and there we go. It does have some juice. Now in the front, you'll notice it does have a big forehead and quite a bit of chin there as well. But honestly, I gotta say, I definitely like this a whole lot better than the huge notch that we had on the Pixel 3 XL or any notch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw my information in here, set it up so we can take a little bit of a deeper dive into the device, check out that 90 hertz display, see what they got to offer in the device. And like I said, we'll go ahead and try the case on as well. So let me go ahead and throw my information in really quick. All right, so I am all set up and ready to go here, as you can see, and I've kind of been messing around with it a little bit, just scrolling through the device. I've also took a couple of portrait pictures just to check out the camera real quick, and I'm actually really impressed with the camera. Let me go ahead and go into my photos here, show you a couple of the portrait shots that I took. Look at this, looking really good. Look at that. And you know, the cameras on Google devices have never disappointed at all. And here's another portrait shot that I took. But yes, the cameras on these devices have never disappointed. They've always been some of the best, if not the best cameras that you can get on a device. And I can say the same pretty much goes for this one. Of course, I am going to have to do more testing here, but just from those couple shots that I took, I am very impressed. And another thing that I do like that they brought to this device is the 90 hertz display. It is just super silky smooth when scrolling. I am loving it. And I really hope that a lot more companies do this with their devices because it is just a joy to use, being able to scroll so smoothly through your device, and it just feels super snappy as well. No lag that I've noticed on this device at all. But like I said, it is brand new. I'm going to have to do some testing using it, but so far I am very impressed. I really like the way that it fits in the hands. It's not too heavy. It's not too bulky at all. Fits really good in the hands. I think the power button and the volume rockers are in the perfect spot right here. And they're actually perfectly lined up with the ones that we have on the Google Pixel 3 XL, as you can see there. I actually tried the case on this device and the buttons line up perfectly. So they have kept those the same coming from the Pixel 3a XL. But yeah, I think they are in the perfect spot. And I also set up facial recognition and it actually works pretty fast. So I'm gonna turn it towards my face and look how fast this works. Boom. Let me do it one more time. Boom. Open. Now let's go ahead and put it down and let's try to pick it up and put it on my face. Boom, opens right up. So I'm pretty impressed with the facial recognition on this so far. Now this is the XL model like I mentioned earlier, and this one that I have here actually comes with 128 gigabytes of storage. So I'm really glad that they sent me the one with more storage, because they do have the lower model coming with 64 gigabytes of storage, which honestly, I think you need a little bit more than 64 gigabytes. So if you're gonna be releasing a device, you at least gotta release it with 128 gigabytes and up. So I'm really glad that they sent me the one with more storage. Now it also comes out of the box with Android 10, as you can see here. And the good thing about Google devices is that you're always going to get your Android updates on time. As soon as they come out, when they're ready to go, you're gonna get it right away. You're gonna be one of the first ones to get these new updates, which I am really excited about, which I really actually like about Google devices. You're always going to get those updates. You don't have to worry about waiting months and months to finally get that update. So yes, it does come with Android 10 out of the box, coming with all the new features that it offers. So that is one good thing about this device as well. And so far, for my first impressions, I am really liking it. Like I said, I like the overall feel of the device. Now, there is no headphone jack like we had on the Pixel 3a XL. Since they put the headphone jack on their mid-range device, I for sure thought they were going to go ahead and bring it on their next Pixel device, the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL, but it looks like they did not do that. As you can see here, we do have dual speakers on this device as well, one on the bottom, one up here at the top where the earpiece is, and there's also tons of other sensors up here. One thing that makes the facial recognition so fast is a new radar sensor that they put in here, which basically senses when you are picking up your phone. Once you bring it up to your face, it's already getting it set and ready to go to read your face, which is the reason it opens up so fast. So that is a pretty cool feature that they added up here. Like I said, I really don't mind this big forehead. It is way better than having a huge notch up top of your device, and the display looks absolutely beautiful. Now, one thing I did notice, it doesn't get too bright. I have the brightness all the way up, so I'm not sure exactly how it's going to do outdoors in direct sunlight. I'm gonna have to go out and test that out, see if I'm going to be able to actually use this in a direct sunlight, because right now it is bright enough here indoors, but like I said, it doesn't look like it's going to be bright enough when outside in the bright sunlight. But overall build looking really good. Like I said, it feels really good in the hands. You do have the SIM card slot up here at the left. And then of course, like I said, we got the cameras in the back. Now they did decide to go with the main lens and the telephoto lens instead of the wide lens, which honestly, I'm a little disappointed about. I was really hoping they were going to bring the wide angle lens to this device, but unfortunately that did not happen. They said that the telephoto lens was pretty much actually more important than a wide angle lens. And it also is going to help out with the portrait mode on this device to bring you better portrait photos. But honestly, I really wish they would have put the wide angle lens, because it is so fun taking photos with that wide angle, and it just always comes in handy. But for now, we're gonna have to deal with the main lens and the telephoto lens. But the cameras on this device are no slouch at all. Just because it doesn't have a wide angle lens doesn't mean I don't love the cameras, because they are amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and try out this case that they did provide. It is a gray case, like I mentioned earlier, with a nice accent orange Google logo on the bottom, and then the accent button up top right as well. Let's go ahead and slap this in there. Now, as you can see, it went in very, very easily, no problems at all. Now, it doesn't feel like it fits super tight in there, but it doesn't feel loose either. It does have the open bottom right here, as you can see there, so you can be able to charge your device, and you get access to your speaker and microphone at the bottom as well. It's got a microphone cutout up top. Button seems to be working good. Let's check out the volume rockers here. See if you can see my face. There we go. Volume rockers feel good as well. It is a very nice material. I actually really like this. Feels very premium. The camera does sit a little bit lower than the actual case, so it should get some protection if you do happen to drop it on its back. And then you got a little bit of a lip all around the edges. But overall, very nice feeling case. Feels very premium and also looks very premium as well. Now, another thing you'll notice about this device is that it actually has a flat display. They did not decide to go the route of the curved display like some other devices out there. While the curved displays do have a beautiful look to them, I actually love them. It's a love-hate relationship with some people. Some people like them, some people don't. I actually do like the curved displays, but since this one has a flat display, it's actually very nice for a change. You don't get any accidental touches here on the edges or anything like that. Looks really good, especially with this 90 hertz display. Like I said, just super smooth, super buttery when scrolling. So far, I am absolutely loving it. This has been my unboxing and first impressions. Like I said, I'm absolutely loving it, especially the whole look. This whole color combo we got going on here just looks absolutely beautiful. Looks really, really nice. I am really liking it. I am going to have tons more content coming very, very soon with this device. If there's anything you would like to see on the channel with this device, just let me know down in the comment sections below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below of what you think about this device so far. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave a huge thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. But for now, thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.